Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's enter. And as you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And we can check some further details using two different ways. So first of all, we can tap directly inside this graph, and as you can see, it will show us the dashboard of the whole week and the previous weeks also, and we can check for how long we've been using this device today and yesterday. So as you can see, for almost 4 hours right now, 18 minutes. And under it you've got the settings, not settings, but listed all of the apps which you've been using. What's more, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. So let's get back. That was the first way of checking more details, and the other way is to simply tap directly on the particular app. So for example, the settings, camera, or themes. So let me pick the settings, for example, and again we've got the dashboard, but right now it is connected only with this particular app. So you can of course check the screen time, but also the notifications received, times opened, and you can show the hourly instead of daily dashboard. So let's get back, and that's all actually for the screen timeout. And under it you've got some ways to disconnect, which are quite cool option. That's why I really think that we should talk about it. So we've got the dashboard, bedtime mode, and focus mode. They are quite useful. They are actually very useful if you really need the time for yourself, you want to rest, or you need to work, or just you want to sleep. So you will be able to set, for example, in focus mode. You can select distracting apps, so you can check from which apps you're using the most notifications, and then find them here in this list. Just mark them, so for example this one, and this one, and you can set a schedule, so you can pick particular time in which the notifications will be limited. The same situation with the days, so you will be able to pick particular time and a day. So as I said, it's really useful if you need time for yourself. And under it we've got some reduce interruptions, so we've got the manage notifications and the not disturb mode, which are defaultly available, let's say, in the device, and here you can enter the parental controls. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.